Ever found yourself desperately searching for a power outlet as your Android phone gasps its last few percent? You're not alone. Today, we'll go through essential pro tips to help you extend your Android battery life and keep your device powered up longer. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, disable the always-on display. Many Android phones now come with an always-on display feature, which shows you the time, date, and notification. It's handy, but it does drain your battery. If you can do without it, turn it off. Instruction. To disable it, go to Settings and then Lock Screen and toggle off Always On Display. Tip number 2, enable Adaptive Battery Mode. Android's Adaptive Battery Mode learns your usage habits and restricts power to apps you rarely use, so your phone lasts longer between charges. Instruction. Activate it by going to Settings, Battery, Adaptive Preferences, then enable Adaptive Battery. Tip number 3, turn on Battery Saver Mode. When your battery is running low, this mode reduces background processes, lowers brightness, and more. Instructions. To enable it, go to Settings, Battery Saver, or Power Saving Mode on Samsung devices. Tip number 4, switch to dark mode. For phones with OLED screens, dark mode helps save battery because dark pixels don't light up. It's both stylish and battery-friendly. Instruction. Find this setting under Settings, Display, and choose Dark Mode. Tip number 5, lower display brightness and sleep time. The screen is a major battery drain. Lowering brightness and reducing screen timeout can help a lot. Instructions. Swipe down for quick settings to adjust brightness and set your screen timeout in Settings, Display, Screen Timeout. Tip number 6, remove unused account. Background syncing for old or unused accounts can drain power. Remove any unnecessary accounts for better battery life. Instruction. Go to Settings, Accounts, and remove any you don't need. Tip number 7, turn off keyboard sound and haptic feedback. These small vibrations and sounds add up and use battery. Instructions. To turn them off, go to Settings, Language and Input, select your keyboard, and disable sound on key press and haptic feedback. Tip number 8, limit app notifications. Every notification lights up your screen and can keep apps active in the background. Only keep notifications for essentials. Instruction. Go to Settings, Notifications, App Notifications, and disable non-essential notifications. Tip number 9, turn off Hey Google detection. Constantly listening for Hey Google can drain your battery. Disable it if you don't use it often. Instruction. Open the Google app, go to Settings, Google Assistant, Hey Google Voice Match, and turn off Hey Google. Tip number 10, lower your screen refresh rate. While high refresh rates make animation smooth, they drain battery faster. Switch to a standard 60 Hz if you're low on power. Instruction. Find this setting in Settings, Display Refresh Rate, and choose 60 Hz or Standard. Tip number 11, turn off unnecessary wireless features. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location services all use power even if you're not using them. Instruction. Simply swipe down for quick settings and toggle off what you don't need. There you have it, 11 pro tips to help you maximize your Android battery life. Try them out and let us know in the comments which ones made the biggest difference. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips and tricks.